Day by day we save huge number of contacts in iPhone contact list. Some of those are not needed anymore. When we are going to delete, sometimes we got error like not all contacts were deleted. One or more contacts may be read only. Today we will see how to fix it. Let's see. First step, we have to restart iPhone, then try. If it is not work, then go to second step. Open settings, scroll down to contact, then accounts. Here in account list you may find iCloud or more accounts like Google, Exchange or any social media accounts. Tap on this account. In my case it is iCloud. If you have multiple accounts, you have to do this process for every accounts. Tap iClouds, then turn off contacts, select delete from iPhone. Now you may see empty or less contacts in contact list. Now turn on contacts again. So you will see all contacts are coming to your iPhone. Now delete contacts again. That's all. If this video is help you, please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.